Since its launch in May, over 70 million videos have been generated using Google Veo 3. The results can be mind-blowing, but almost everyone is making one critical mistake that leaves them stuck with glitchy, low-quality results. They're missing the simple setup tweaks that separate amateur outputs from professional cinematic shots. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact settings you need to configure for optimal performance right from the start. Alright, trying to get cinematic results but ending up with generic, boring clips? That's because you're missing the system. It's just 3 simple steps. First, the structured prompt. Don't just say, a dog playing. Get specific. Think like a director. Subject, context, action, visual style, camera movement. The more detail, the better. Second, the separate audio command. On a completely new line, tell Veo exactly what you want to hear. Audio, upbeat synth music and the sound of a cheering crowd. This is a game changer. And third, the mode switch. Use Veo 3 Fast for quick, cheap iterations to nail your concept. Once you have the perfect shot, then switch to standard quality for the final render. Now, to make this even easier, I've put this entire system into a free checklist for you, along with some powerful copy-paste prompts. It's called the Veo 3 Quick Start Guide, and you can grab it using the link in the description. All right, let's fix the biggest problem with AI video, getting messy, unpredictable results. You type in a robot in a city and get this, generic. The secret isn't just a longer prompt, it's a smarter one. Watch this. We're going to build a cinematic shot, layer by layer. First, let's define our subject. Instead of a robot, we'll specify a sleek, chrome-plated android. See? Already more defined. Now the context. Let's add walking through a neon-lit, rain-slicked cyberpunk city. Instantly, we have a mood. Next, give it an action. The android looks up as a flying car zips past. Now we have a story. Here's the game changer, visual style. We'll add cinematic, film noir style, high contrast. Look at that transformation. Let's direct the camera movement with a low-angle tracking shot. Total professional control. And finally, Veo 3's killer feature, audio. We'll add sound of gentle rain, a futuristic synth score, and the whoosh of the flying car. Now, look at the difference. From this to this. That's the power of structured prompting. To make this even easier, I've compiled my best copy-paste ready prompts into a free guide. You can grab my Veo 3 Quick Start and Anti-Fail Prompt Collection at the link on screen. Now, let's move on to the next step. All right, moving on to the single biggest game changer with Veo 3, native integrated audio generation. Instead of a silent clip, it creates atmosphere. But here's the pro tip. Explicitly describe the audio you want. Watch. I'm adding deep synthwave music and specifying engine roar and tire screeches. The control is incredible. I'll be sharing all my best audio-focused prompts with you later in the video, so stick around for that. Right now, let's tackle the next big problem, keeping your characters consistent. All right, step 3 is where we get strategic to save you a massive amount of time and money. This is the Veo 3 Fast workflow. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is generating every single idea in the highest quality mode. It's slow and it gets expensive. But Google introduced Veo 3 Fast specifically for this reason. It's an optimized mode for rapid iteration. Think of it as your creative sketchbook. And with the recent price drop, the Fast model is now just $0.15 per second. That's a massive saving. Here's the workflow. First, you draft your prompt and generate multiple variations using Veo 3 Fast. Because it's so quick, you can test different camera angles, subjects, and actions without breaking the bank. Once you've found the perfect shot, you simply take that exact same prompt, switch the model to highest quality, and generate your final cinematic clip with full synchronized audio. This two-step process, drafting in fast mode and finalizing in high quality, is a core part of the professional workflow. I've broken it down into a simple checklist in my free Google Veo 3 Quick Start Guide, which you can download from the link in the description. It also includes a collection of my best performing prompts to get you started.
All right, before we wrap up, I have one last trick for you, and it's a game changer. Remember that new image to video feature we talked about? You can literally bring your static photos to life. Watch this. I'm just uploading a picture of this miniature, typing a simple prompt to make it wave, and boom, instant animation. This is perfect for creating unique social media content or dynamic visuals from your existing assets. If you want to master prompts like this and get my complete setup checklist to ensure you never get bad results, I've put it all in a free guide for you. It's called the Google Veo 3 Quick Start Guide, and the link is right in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you plan to animate first.
Leave a comment below.